Good morning, students. Welcome in today's class. Today, we are going to discuss the movement of the earth. Two important movements that affect the earth are rotation and revolution. Let us first discuss rotation of the earth and its effect. The earth rotates around an imaginary line called axis. It spins on its axis like a top. The term rotation means to spin around. जब पृथ्वी और अर्थ अपनी एक्सिस पे, एक्सिस आपने पढ़ा है that it is an imaginary line which connects the two points or two poles, north pole and south pole. जब इस लाइन पे अर्थ अपनी जगह पर घूमती है, that is called rotation. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Here it is important to keep in mind that when earth rotates at the same place, this movement of earth is called rotation. While rotating, earth is tilted to an angle of 23.5 degrees Celsius. अर्थ टिल्ट रहती है यानी झुकी हुई रहती है at an angle of 23.5 degrees. Let us assume that this globe is earth and the lamp is sun. The light of the sun falls on half of the portion. This portion is day. Let's look at the other portion. This is dark and this is night. The light of the sun, it falls on half of the portion of earth. The other portion remains dark. The portion on which light falls, जिस पोर्शन पर सूर्य की रोशनी यानी सनलाइट पड़ती है वहाँ दिन होता है. ऑन द अदर हैंड, जहाँ पर रोशनी नहीं पड़ती वहाँ पर रात होती है. This shows that the rotation of earth results in day and night on earth. So in the opposite countries where एक जगह दिन है तो दूसरी जगह रात होगी. For example, अगर चाइना में दिन है तो इसके ऑपोजिट जो कंट्री है दैट इज़ कोलंबिया, वहाँ पर रात होगी. So the rotation of earth results in day and night. We see that the sun seems to move across the sky starting in the east in the morning and move towards the west in the evening and finally day ends. Why this happens or why the sun seems moving? This happens because of the earth. When earth rotates on its own axis like a top, this results in the movement or this results in the sun, which seems कि आपका अर्थ जो है मूव कर रहा है, जिसकी वजह से डे और नाइट हो रहा है।